I didn't know how to start the vlog, so I thought coffee would be a great place to start. But anyway, so I'm at my uncle's vacation home right now, and it is the most beautiful place that I've ever seen. I'll show you around in a while. Before that, I have to get some work done and shoot a real estate kind of video to show you guys, and also because this is an Airbnb, so that video would be helpful for him to get more sales. Yeah. So I'll enjoy this coffee while I'll enjoy this coffee while I work, and I'll see you guys later. Work is finally done, and by that I mean watching a lot of cringe TikTok and a lot of dark humor. It's because I like a lot of dark humor, and if I say something in this video that offends you, I'm sorry. Like, comedy is not my forte. Okay, anyway, and if you're wondering why I'm back in these clothes, it's because it's time to paint the deck. And if you don't know what a deck means, it is like a wooden platform that goes from your house into the lake, kind of like the pier in GTA that goes into the ocean, but a smaller version. After that, I'm going to unbox the package. And to unbox the package, I'm going to use something that I've not used before. It's like this POV thing on your head. So probably gonna try that. And yeah, let's paint the deck. I almost said deck 2 or 3 times. Post painting interview. What do you think of the paint?
यथेष्ट है, किंतु इसे और उत्तम बनाया जा सकता था.
I think you need a beating. Leave my mic. Bro. So now we are going to unbox this package, but not here, we're going outside. And I have an interesting idea for the unboxing experience. So bear with me. I'm on fire. Ain't no sleep, we never tired. Party on 10, get body on body. Que siga bailando la jale, que llena eleva. Estamos on fire. Fire, fire, fire. Estamos on fire. Fire, fire, fire. Estamos on fire. Fire, fire, fire. Estamos on fire. Fire, fire. So this is the Ultrahuman air ring. So it's like a fitness watch, but in the form of a ring. How crazy is that? I've always liked classic watches and jewelry, like silver jewelry. But when it comes to like fitness products, if you go in the market, they all look very digital. So this was like the perfect product for me. And the craziest part about this is it also tracks sleep. So it will tell you like what you ate yesterday was affecting your sleep, or what you shouldn't have done before you slept, or when should you consume caffeine after you wake up. It does everything. So which is why this is like the craziest piece of tech like I have ever come across in this year. And this was sent to me by Ultrahuman. They sent it to me as a brand collaboration for a couple of Instagram reels, but I decided that since I love this product so much, I'll unbox it for YouTube. So another crazy part about this is, if you're worried about whether it will fit you or not, they send you like this trial kit. What this trial kit has is the different colors that they provide, and also like sizing kit. You can try all the sizes and let them know in the app which size fits you, and they'll send you the exact size. One thing I did notice though is the trial ring is tighter than the actual ring. That is one thing. Or maybe I've gotten slimmer, I don't know. But yeah, I'll set it up. Also, one more thing that I forgot to mention. I tried lifting weights with the trial ring. It wasn't uncomfortable. So if in case you wanna know. So before I show you everything, I'll first have to set this up in my app, which is on my phone that I'm using to recording right now.
sometime. Until then, I'll enjoy this view. Good boy, good boy. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
There. Hey. $5.
Yeah. Rapping?
Chalo. Let's test this contraption out. काटेगा मेरे को काटेगा Why are you smelling your own poo? चलो चलो
अरे एक मिनट का ही ये बोलता है ये। तेरा 15 सेकंड हो गए हैं।
अभी बैठ जाने का हो गया माई जॉब हियर इज डन I didn't know fishing would be so boring. You just throw whatever you call it in the water and just stand there for hours and nothing happens. And that's what they call peak male activity. I don't know how because nothing's happening. Now I get why old people like fishing so much. You're not doing anything. As I told you, like I was gonna set this ring. So now it's the perfect time to set this up. Okay, so it says right here that it needs 15 days to accurately learn your unique body patterns. So I'm not going to bore you. So we'll have dinner, do some work, chill, watch YouTube, and then I'll figure out how to set this up. The thing that I want to talk about is how I grew my channel. There are two types of creators online. Number one, people want to watch the creator. That's one category. Second category is people want to watch the content that the creator makes. And when you are in the second category, you have to learn as much as you can. I spent a year trying to learn, experiment different styles. Another thing, my most successful video was edited on CapCut. So when I tell you that it's not about the software, it's not about the gear, you have to believe me. What's important is the idea and how you execute it. Doesn't matter what you use. Whatever you do, you end up using, try to get the best use out of it. Watch me hit this shot. I missed. So the reason why I wanted to vlog today is because I wanted to get better at speaking in front of the camera. As a man of few words, I have always found it difficult to express myself through words, which is why I thought vlogging would be a great medium to practice that. Hopefully I'll get better with time. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.